Hey! I am Fearless Coder. Let's start. String. A string is an immutable sequence of characters in Python. It is represented by either single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes, or a string can contain letters, numbers, and special characters. You can use the plus operator to join two or more strings together. For example, str1 equals hello. str2 equals world. Print str1 plus single quotes plus str2. Output, hello world. Upper. Returns a copy of the string with all the characters in uppercase. For example, name equals fearless. Print name.upper. Output, fearless. Lower. Returns a copy of the string with all the characters in lowercase. For example, name equals fearless coder. Print name.lower. Output, fearless coder. Splits the string into substrings based on the specified delimiter. For example, text equals fearless coder. Print text.split. Output, fearless coder. Replaces a substring of the string with another string. My string equals hello, my name is John. New underscore string equals my string. Replace John, fearless. Print new underscore string. Output, hello, my name is fearless. Strip. Removes leading and trailing whitespace from the string. For example, my underscore string equals hello world. Result equals my underscore string.strip. Print result. Output, hello world. Find. Finds the first occurrence of a substring in the string. For example, new equals Python is an amazing language. Result equals new.find is, print result. Output, 8. Joins multiple strings together using the specified separator. For example, string 1 equals hello. String 2 equals world. Print. Join string 1, string 2. Output, hello, world. Capitalized. Converts the first character to upper case. For example, string equals hello world. Capitalized underscore string equals string.capitalize. Print capitalized underscore string. Output, hello world. Count. Returns the number of times a specified value occurs in a string. For example, string equals this is Python programming. Print string.count Python. Output, 1. Starts with. Returns true if the string starts with the specified value. For example, a equals hello world. Result equals a dot starts with hello. Print result. Output, true. Ends with. Returns true if the string ends with the specified value. For example, str1 equals Python programming language. Print str1.ends with language. Output, true. Format. Formats specified values in a string. For example, name equals fearless. Age equals 25. Print my name is 0, and I am 1 years old. Format name, age. Output, my name is fearless and I am 25 years old. Index. Searches the string for a specified value and returns the position of where it was found. For example, string equals hello world. Print string.index0. Output, 4. Len. Returns the length of a string. For example, let str equals hello. Print str.len. Output, 5. Center. Returns a centered string with a specified character padded to the left and right of the string. For example, string equals Python. Print string.center 10, comma. Output, Python. Isonym. Returns true if all characters in the string are alphanumeric. For example, str equals hello 123. Print str.isonym. For more videos, subscribe. Fearless